channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a flip through of my Project Life album starting with July. My first flip through for 2020 was January through June because I had forgotten to still do it quarterly. We are in the beginning of November, so what I think I'll do is just do the flip through October, which is mostly done. There's some journaling that has to be done. And then if anything, I'll just do November and December together. Or at that time, if you do want like an entire book flip through, with just music, I could probably do that too, just so you can see what the spreads look like. So just leave me a comment down below. So we started off here, July. This was a paper pad, like a tie-dye paper pad from Michaels. And this one is an old one from Kaiser Crafts as well. And this one's a Mombi one. As you always know, I like to keep my layouts kind of cohesive in that manner. So July 4th and stuff, these are just advertisements for a company that we own here in the Palm Beach County. But we had a lot of pool time, 4th of July, just fun times, bath photos. This was an old memory that popped up probably this time last year when I still had all these flowered walls for her, but with her asthma I don't do it as much. Some stickers are from Always Mombi. I didn't do some journaling here. This was a screenshot of just like everyone wearing face masks right now, just to show what we're all going through during this pandemic. My sister's on her walks with them as well. Some black and white photos to not add so much color to layouts is also what I've done. My sister came to visit this week, so there's tons of photos. Kept a parking pass when we went to the beach, did the dog park. A lot of tie-dye that we love. This one too just says wearing a mask is an act of love. And then some stickers on top. Here, I didn't finish the journaling here, but I wanted to write down all the activities me and my sister did. This was just a funny screenshot as well, 2020. So it's January, February, quarantine, and then probably December. Just thought it was funny. 2 teal minty matching cards. I told the story about my mother-in-law's 60th celebration. And then there's just more family pics. These are thickers from a thicker set. Started getting into these sticker by number photos. So this is all the stickering. This is de-stressing. It just happens to be 9 by 12. So I kept 2 of my favorites in here. Then we get into August. This is Simple Stories. This too is Simple Stories. A clothing tag from Clothes of a Disney Princess. We're all about it. There's an Instax photo with my friends. A picture of Maui. Packaging from a palette I bought from ColourPop at Ulta. Still that same paper from the page before. This one's an old Mombi one. Like including pictures of my friends' kids too. This is a Maggie Holmes, old Mombi stickers too. It's just pool photos, always making Valentina laugh. I've been taking a lot of pictures of the sky and the clouds. I've been looking up a lot. This was old packaging of packaging that came in the mail of some company, but the watermelon pictures were just great. A story about how we feed our ducks. A screenshot of a funny thing about wearing mask. I finished Twilight, Midnight Sun from Twilight, just hence the picture of Twilight in here too. It was my favorite book and series growing up, so that this is the new installment. So just documenting it. Some Black Lives Matter. We have National Dog Day. This is a different layout, as you can see. Usually it's the 2 4x6s up here. This one kind of alternates it like in a diagonal. And then the rest. Live Positive Life. These are L Studio. My nephew turned 1. This is still an L Studio card. And actually, these are probably from last year's December documented kit, but they still work because they were just all about today in pink and a gray one for this spread as well. Still using up that pattern paper here. Here, this is a paper pad from Michaels that has some like blue foiling in it, which is just gorgeous. My sister goes on really marvelous walks in New York and New Jersey and sends me some of her screenshots. Friends, kids, me with a great like miracle oil from Monet that helped me on my burns. That's what I was taking a picture of right there. Details, so my sister and her friends going out. Valentina's facing forward now in September. My father-in-law's 60th birthday. These are done with oxide sprays. So I just sprayed some index cards and let them dry with orange because he had a Mets themed birthday party and it worked out perfectly. This is a Maggie Home thicker outside of the page protector. Some journaling cards. This is Mombi. This is Mombi. Maggie Holmes again, and that's a Mombi card behind it. And this day, I got my first injections of Botox, so I just kept the business card of the clinic I went to. Here, the NFL started, so football is back in season, and oops, sorry, my dog and my phone is all going off. NFL's back in season, so Miguel's truly happy. Some of Valentina's crafty projects. Maui got his first grooming appointment. This is an old Mombi card. Ruth Bader Ginsburg passed away during this time. New uniforms at work. Potty training happened. The finals, the debate. Dolphins were winning here. So this is a lot of just photo heavy. This is just like packaging from a pack of little girl panties I bought for Vale. She's potty trained now. These are old Heidi Swap papers or Maggie Holmes. They just went well together. And then October are thickers on the inside of it. This was just an old like Pink Fresh font. Kept the packaging for the pumpkin that we decorated. Still using that like Gig'em, yellow Gig'em. Visiting of pumpkins. There's that card again. The NBA finals were here. My sticker from voting. Chick-fil-A paper bag packaging. So then from keeping the packaging here, because I love Chick-fil-A and I haven't talked about it much, I went with anything that I had that was craft for the filler cards. Fall activities, fall fun, playing in the rain. My eldest dog Zoe passed away in October. I haven't had the strength to write some of the things that happened that day, continuing on to keep my daughter and family happy. And then this is just Halloween right here. I don't think I'm going to do any journaling here because I have my memory planner, which has like all the stories on what we did. So a lot of this Project Life stays photo heavy for me. And then this gets into November. I have to like write November on that one and stuff. So that is October. So July, August, September, October. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and truly I'm always using scrapbook paper. I'm always using, my main supplies are the Happy Planner sticker books for the Happy Planner. And this one, like I said, stays photo heavy, and a lot of my journaling is in my Happy Planner, which is fun too. So I like having both of them. This is just larger scale, and I can print many more photos in here to remember all of the good stuff that happens in 2020. Till next time, bye!